art exhibition. But this one, I don't want to say it's easy, but the art speaks to you. And these are stages of the country you've passed past. And the meter over there with the list of names, that really resonated with me. And the pictures, I think each artwork here speaks for itself. You don't really need to read too much meaning.
I'm a fashion designer, and yeah, so I came, this is my first time of coming to this space for the exhibition, and it was really amazing because I really enjoyed the pieces that I saw. It was really well thought out. You could tell that every little piece, everything done worked in synergy, went with the theme, the food, the music, the pictures, everything just told a beautiful story that I could really relate to. And I also saw like some of the part of the works, the electricity and meter stuff. It was really nostalgic for me because I just really enjoyed it. It felt very, very relatable.
Everything here is very interesting. I like the works and the installation. And the artworks here, they resonated to me. Thank you.